Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your iPhone battery draining way too fast lately? Don't worry, you are not alone. And that the good news is there is a simple fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on low power mode to instantly extend your battery life. It really takes less than 10 seconds. So let's get right into it. First thing first, unlock your iPhone and go open up the settings app. It's the one of the gear icon. Once you're inside settings, scroll little until you spot the battery option and go ahead and tap on it. Right at the very top of the screen, you will see low power mode. Just tap that toggle so it's turned on and look at that your battery icon in the top right corner turns yellow. That's your confirmation that is now active and working. Now, what does this actually do? Low power mode temporarily reduces background activity, things like mail fetch, background app refresh, and some visual effects. So your phone is less energy overall. It can genuinely stretch your battery life by an extra hour or two, especially when you are out and about with no charger inside. Pro tip: your iPhone will also automatically suggest turning this on whenever your battery hits 20%. But now you know how to switch it on manually anytime you want, even at 100% battery. If you just want to save power for later. And that's it. Your battery should now last noticeable longer. If you found this helpful, do a favor and drop a like, subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.